and a lot of shimmer. As the stars illuminated the night at the Dolby Theatre, Los Angeles on March 10, the red carpet shimmered with an array of captivating fashion trends. And Oscars 2024, like every year, turned out to be a sartorial spectacle. The Lady of the Hour, Emma Stone, was one of the best dressed from the gala night. She sported a custom mint-colored Louis Vuitton strapless gown featuring an architectural peplum skirt. She matched this with a 30-carat yellow diamond necklace from the Louis Vuitton high jewelry collection. Real-life Barbie, Margot Robbie, surprisingly chose to skip pink and capped off the award season with one of her least Barbie looks of all. And we think we know why. She arrived in a sparkling strapless black Versace dress with a structured bodice and draped waistline. Carey Mulligan's custom Balenciaga couture gown featured a classy flared mermaid skirt. Danielle Brooks wore a custom black Dolce & Gabbana satin corset gown. Sandra Hüller, Issa Rae, and Jamie Lee Curtis also turned up in fabulous black dresses. Lily Gladstone paid tribute to Native American design with a blue velvet Gucci gown created in collaboration with indigenous artist Joe Big Mountain. Zendaya arrived wearing a black and pink Giorgio Armani Privé column dress. It featured an embroidered palm tree print and an embellished bodice with palettes in gunmetal. America Ferrera channeled her fierce Barbie character Gloria in a metallic pink dress. And we have to mention Ariana Grande's gown, who made up for Margot Robbie's lack of pink. She stunned in a custom pink strapless, ruched column gown, featuring an exaggerated off-the-shoulder puff sleeve cape and a long train by Giambattista Valli Haute Couture. The men also put a fashionable display with structured tuxedos, tailored suits, and more. Our favorite looks from the night have to be those of Ryan Gosling and Coleman Domingo. But, the 96th Academy Awards red carpet was won by 4 people you may never have heard of: Takashi Yamazaki, Kyoko Shibuya, Masaki Takashi, and Tatsuji Nojima, nominees for Best Visual Effects for Godzilla Minus One. They showed up in the ceremony not only carrying small black Godzilla figures as accessories, but sporting shoes whose heels looked like monster talons. We love such shots of quirk. What do you say? Whose look appealed to you the most? Share your views in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for all things fashion and Oscars.